In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add new users to your Google Ads account. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's get right into it. Now, to go ahead and actually do this, it's a pretty simple process. It may look slightly different, but it's going to be pretty much the same. It just depends on the version you're on, and when they update it, they sometimes change the interface, that kind of thing. But of course, you want to go onto your dashboard here, like I've done, and then we need to go over to where it says admin. Now, under admin, you're going to see a section here that says access and security. You want to go ahead and click on that. Now, it can also be under tools and settings. It just depends on your version and if you're in which mode you're in. So go ahead and click on access and security. Once inside here, this is where you can go ahead and add new users, and you can also manage them. So to add a new user, you want to go to this little plus icon here and press on it. This is the add button. And you'll need to go ahead and input some data. So you need to input their email, when their access expires. So if you want to put it on a specific date, maybe they're a contractor or something, they're doing some temporary work, you can do that. You can give them the access level, and you can tell them which alerts they get. So disapproved ads, campaign maintenance alerts, ideas, and newsletter. And what you can do, you can go ahead and send that to them, and they should get an invite through their email, which they can go ahead and click on, and it will allow them to join this. They may have to do a small setup if they haven't already, but it should not take very long at all. To go ahead and remove a user, all you have to do is, once they've been invited, on the user section here, you just need to go all the way across to the right. There's a button here that says remove access. If you go ahead and click on that, it will remove access from the account, and they'll no longer be able to access it. So that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Google Ads or anything else in particular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.